Hello everyone. I am Dave Mercadawan from BSI TNS 3A. Ang pag-usapin natin ngayon ay yung storage platform. Yan. Essentially, a storage platform is a hardware and software solution designed to store, manage, and protect digital data. So, dito natin nilalagay yung mga files, and etc. na ginagamit natin. It combines physical storage devices like hard drives and solid-state drives with software systems for organizing, accessing, and securing data. Different platform technologies cater to specific data requirements and usage. So, yun. May iba't ibang uh, storage platforms na ginagamit. Yan. Specifically, example is block storage. Yan, ideal for storing large unstructured data like multimedia files, scientific datasets, and backups. Offers granular access to individual data blocks, providing flexibility and scalability. So, yun, sa block storage. File storage, designed for storing and managing individual files and folders, making it suitable for documents, images, and personal data. Provides user-friendly files access and organization features. So, yun, meron niya sa Windows, kahit sa ibang operating system, yun. Mas ano nga lang, user-friendly nga lang yung Windows about sa file management. Yan. Object storage. Optimized for storing massive amounts of unstructured data like images, videos, and archives. Objects are individually addressed and managed, enabling cost-effective and scalable storage. So, yun. Example, Salesforce Cloud, yan. Data source, data stream, yan. NAS, Network Attached Storage. A file-level storage device connected to a network. Yun. Sa more on network naman to, yung mga parang local LAN storage, allowing multiple users to access and share files, specifically for businesses or companies na iisa lamang yung repository nila sa mga files. It offers familiar file sharing experience with network accessibility. So yun, kung may server kayo, yan doon, i-attach nyo yung dun yung storage, tapos yun, pwede nyo set as accessible for all users na within company. SAN storage. Storage area network. Provides block level storage access to servers across a dedicated network, ideal for high performance application requiring fast data access. So yun, parang ganito siya. Yun. May client din, client access storage area network SAN. Okay, parang multiple siya. Multiple yan. Kumbaga isa din siya, kasali siya sa mga dun sa local area network. So yun. So ito yung kumbaga nagsisilbing gateway nila to connect sa mga clients or servers. So, yan. Dito na yung server is yun, local area network. So mas maliit siya compare dito sa SAN. Maraming iba't ibang nagmo-multiple sila for backups or kahit anong mangyari doon sa para secure yung data or yung SIA tinatawag. DAS, yan. Direct attached storage connects directly to a single computer, offering yon. Example nito is yung mga sa laptops or desktops na nakakabit na kagad yung storages or hard drives. Yun, isa yun sa mga examples. Yun, tulad nito, makita natin, may 1 terabyte plus space for backups pa. Yan. So, yun ang feature, access, scalability, performance cost. Yan, sa block storage, yan, block level, file storage, yan, object, yan, file level, block level, or file level dito sa DAS. Kasi nga, yun, ina-attach sa different computers or desktops na gusto nyong paglagyan. Yun, high scalability by adding more storage devices, yun, horizontal scaling, extremely high scalable, yan, exabytes or dex, yan, mas malaki nga yung nito, capacity, limited scalability, high scalability, adding more, same sa block storage, yan, high limited scalability din, yan, moderate, high, ay moderate high dito. Malaki kasi yon yung nakita natin kanina sa example, sa figure na nung Sun network, yung Sun storage. Yan, moderate cost, moderate higher yung file storage, low sa object storage. Tapos moderate naman sa NAS and the Sun is high cost. Tapos sa DAS is low lang. Yan. So, yun lang about sa file storage. So, thank you.